Every day, hundreds of children in India face unimaginable dangers like abandonment, trafficking, and exploitation. But did you know that BNS has introduced stricter laws to protect them? In this video, we are discussing Section 93 to 99 of BNS and also exploring how BNS has given us stronger laws to protect these children. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Advocate Dr. Pratibha Kushwaha. India's new criminal code, the BNS, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, focuses on creating a safer environment for all of us, most importantly for the children. Section 93 to 99 specifically targets the offences against children, which reinforcing India's commitment to protection of children. So in this series, Section 93 specifically deals with the abandonment of children, specifically children below the age of 12 years, and punishment for this offence is up to 7 years of imprisonment or fine or both. And if the worst happens and child dies because of this abandonment, then punishment could go up to the punishment of culpable homicide. Section 94. In Section 94 of BNS deals with the concealment of childbirth, where someone disposes of the body of the child due to some societal pressure or some other personal reasons, it will be considered as a criminal offence under Section 94 of BNS. Section 95 of BNS deals with the employing a child for crime. So under Section 95, if someone coerces or pressurizes a child to commit crimes, it would be under Section 95 of BNS to protect the children. So punishment for this offence, imprisonment for up to 5 years or a fine or both. Section 96 of BNS deals with the procurement of child. Under this section, if someone acquires a child illegally for exploitation or child trafficking, this is considered as a grave offence under Section 96 of BNS. And if anyone is caught under this section, would be punished for imprisonment for 5 years, a fine or both. Next section of BNS is Section 97. Section 97 of BNS deals with the kidnapping or abduction of child. This section focuses to protect extorting money from the families of the children under this section, and if someone is found guilty of kidnapping or abducting any child, would be punished for imprisonment of 10 years, a fine or both. Section 98 and 99 deals with the sale or purchase of children for the purpose of prostitution. These two sections are considered as a grave offences against the children. Sections under BNS are gender neutral. Punishment for selling or purchasing children for prostitution under Section 98 and 99 will be minimum of 10 years with fine, or it can go up to life imprisonment. So friends, if you found this content valuable, please like the video, also share the information. Consider subscribing my channel for the upcoming legal content. And if you have any questions or queries related to this content, kindly write to me in comment section. We'll meet you in next video. So till then, bye.